Are you just renewing your green card in 2025? Think your status is safe just because your card hasn't expired? What if filing Form I-90 is now the trigger for a federal review of your entire life? The truth about I-90 in 2025. Form I-90 used to be simple. Renew an expired card, replace a damaged one, or update outdated info. But in 2025, it's become something else entirely. A way for USCIS to deeply examine your residency. It's no longer just about renewing your card. It's about proving you still belong in the US. What's really happening? Now, when you file I-90, you're opening the door to a full investigation. Your travel history is dissected. Your job, taxes, home, and even utility bills may be reviewed. Frequent trips abroad? That could be a red flag. Gaps in employment or no US lease. Even worse, real case. A green card holder who traveled abroad every 6 months filed her I-90, thinking she followed the rules. What did she get? A request for evidence, RFE, demanding passport scans, US addresses, employment records, even proof of where she's lived since 2014. She wasn't accused of anything, just flagged for suspicion. Common mistakes that raise red flags. Here's what's getting people in trouble. Filing I-90 while temporarily outside the US. Spending over 6 months per year abroad. Failing to file US taxes or keep a US address. Thinking brief visits reset your residency. USCIS now asks questions like, do you work or live abroad? Does your family live overseas? Are your taxes filed as a US resident? If your answers suggest your real home is not the US, your green card could be revoked, even if technically you followed the law. The danger at the airport. Customs officers now look deeper at travel records. If they think you've moved your life abroad, they can hand you Form I-407 to give up your green card voluntarily, or a notice to appear in immigration court. Once that happens, you might be stuck in the US for years in legal limbo. How to protect yourself. File I-90 at least 6 months before your card expires. That gives you a 36-month extension on your receipt. Apply for an ADIT stamp if you need proof to work or travel. If you're staying abroad long-term, apply for Form I-131 re-entry permit before you leave the US, never from abroad, or it's invalid. In 2025, renewing your green card is more than paperwork. It's a test of your real connection to the US. Keep records of all trips. Maintain US job, home, and taxes. Never sign Form I-407 at the airport without a lawyer. If you get an RFE, don't ignore it. Get legal help fast. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an urgent update from Immiscope. Drop your questions in the comments. Your issue might be our next video.